Hello, welcome to another episode of Angela Shows You. Today, I thought that we would do a simple project. These are coasters using the Cricut Sublimation Ready coasters. These ones are the corkboard back. So, for some reason, with Cricut, the square ones have the corkboard back and the round ones are fully ceramic. So, for the corkboard back ones, you're gonna, if I have a heat press, if you're using a Cricut easy press, just go to Cricut website and double check, but from all indications that I could tell, the temperature is 356 degrees and we're gonna set the time for 120 seconds, 2 minutes. For the ceramic coasters, you need your heat press set at 400 degrees and they go for 200 seconds as opposed to 120 for these. But you can tell that these have a real shiny front. This is going to absorb the ink. So what I've done already is you're going to want to measure your things. They're like 3 3/4 by 3 3/4 roughly. So I cut an image, and when you print it out on your sublimation printer, you're going to mirror the image, and then you're going to put the image face down on the coaster. Okay, and then we're going to just use heat resistant tape. That's important. You don't want to just use regular Scotch tape for this. You want heat resistant tape, and we're just going to take a piece of tape and we're just going to, whoops, it came off of that. Came off the paper there. Okay. And the tape is just to, hold it in place. And I just do two sides. I don't really think that it's completely necessary to tape all four sides. I usually just do two sides and it's just fine. So I just am taking a piece of tape and I'm just putting it right on the edge here. I really try not to let it go onto the front, onto the image. I really try to keep it on the side. Okay. And then we're just going to set them right into our heat press, and then we'll go in. I have a fair amount of pressure on my heat press, so here they are on the heat press. And then I'm going to just take a piece of butcher paper. That's that. So it's really, really very easy. These are really easy to make. They're a lot of fun. They make great gifts as well. I really enjoy doing coasters. They're super simple. They're easy to personalize. And like I said, they make great gifts with Christmas coming. It's a great opportunity to make somebody, some really cute winter snowmen. The Grinch is always a real popular option. So it's, they're real fun and easy to make. And if you don't have a sublimation printer, but you have a Cricut, you can always buy the Cricut, the sublimation, the infusible ink transfer sheets. And then you would just, pick either a print or a solid color, and, design something in Cricut Design Space and print it off. It would be real easy to take, like a red and green, or they have really pretty marbly type infusible ink transfer sheets, and do an image and cut those out on your Cricut. And then it's the same. Everything is the same, whether you're using an image with a printer, or if you're cutting the image with your Cricut machine using the infusible ink transfer sheets, your time and your temperature are going to stay, they're going to stay the same. So they're real fun to make, the infusible ink transfer sheets. You know, they're if you buy them, you know, kind of keep an eye out. You can get them a lot of times on Cricut website. Sometimes they're cheaper than they are if you buy them at Joann's. I know I was at Joann's actually earlier today, and all the Cricut stuff was on sale for 40% off. So that was a really good deal too. And they had, you know, the t-shirts and you know, the bags and all the different things, projects that you would, you know, might want to make, were all on sale. So keep an eye if you're a Cricut, if you subscribe to the Cricut Access, which is like $10 a month. You know, sometimes Access members, I think they get different sales. I know, like, whenever I look, there's usually pretty decent prices in there, and then any order that's over $50 ships for free, which is really nice. You know, I mean, I think they should do that, but you know, it's a really nice option to have your stuff shipped for free. So the one thing that you are going to want to consider when you do these is it's hot. It's very, very hot. So don't, especially the ceramic ones. The ceramic ones are going to stay hot a lot longer than the cork backed coasters will. I keep wanting to say magnet. So if I say magnet, ignore me. I mean coaster. I don't have magnets on my head for some reason. So what I like to do is I do like to use my weeding tool, and I'll just I like to pull them forward. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about here. So I'm just going to pull them forward a little bit so that they're not right underneath my heat source. And when they cool a tad, I can take the paper and just move them. And I'm just moving everything over to my ironing board for now. Okay, so oh, it's still really, really hot. But you know, all you're gonna want to do when they cool off is go ahead and peel. You'll just peel your tape off of the back. And expose your image. And that is all there is to doing that. Like I said, super simple, and they do make a wonderful gift. So I hope that you found this video helpful. Like I said, this was just a real quick tutorial. I had already gone ahead, you know, just in an effort to save time, and I printed everything out ahead of time. But if you want to see a full out tutorial, please feel free to leave me a comment in the comment section below and let me know, and I'll do a full one from start to finish. Okay, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye.